What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be showing you how to do window stickers on your car. Let's get right to it. So we're going to click on the window in showroom, click on the three dots next to TX diffuse, then click on the calculate AO. I'll just do 1024 here. It's going to show this. We're going to hit the save button on the bottom right, and we're going to save it to our working folder as a DDS file. I would keep it the same name. For the sake of this, I'm just going to create a test folder. Exit out of there, close that. Now we're going to open up Photoshop. Now if you don't have the DDS plugin, make sure you go ahead and install the DDS plugin. We're going to first create a project of the same size as the texture we pulled. Then we're going to drag the texture over onto our project. Right click and rasterize the layer in Photoshop. Now we're going to create a new layer, drag it underneath the glass layer. We're going to change the glass layer to a multiply layer. That way we can kind of see our texture through our glass. Now you'll see me drag over onto our project, onto that new layer that we created, the image or sticker or logo or whatever you want. And you'll basically just drag it where you want it to be on the window. As you can see, I want this on my back window, so I'm putting it on the top one, because the front one will have those shadows. After you're done with that, you delete the AO layer, then you save as DDS. You'll want to make sure that this new texture is the same name as the material for the window. Now you can hit folder, open up one of the skins, and drag that new texture that you created into the skin that you want that sticker in. Your new texture should basically just be the sticker that you put in. You should not have the AO there. If you did it correctly, then you'll see your sticker on the window. Now this is just showing it on the exterior window. If you had an interior windshield, then you would do the same process just on the interior windshield. That way you can see the sticker on the other side from the interior. As of right now, you only see it from the outside. So that's perfectly fine. You just duplicate the windshield, clone it, drag it inwards just a slight bit, and then redo the process. If you have any questions, please leave comments down below, and have a great rest of your day.